The Primest presents how Egypt is returning to its ancient glory as an emerging superpower. Egypt has a predefined goal of becoming a huge economy by 2030, with a GDP of $8.2 trillion. And for that purpose, Egypt, along with the initial investment, will make use of its massive population for provisions of manpower needs. Not only does Egypt want to boost its economy, but also it is setting its eyes upon strengthening its military for having a better hold on the continent. Currently, Egypt's military is ranked 10th worldwide, but due to their cohesively combined economic and military might, with a 12% increase, each year in economy, Egypt is set to be a future superpower. Egypt's roadmap for 2030 is already defined. They refer to it as Egypt's Vision 2030. Egypt is working on multiple projects to achieve its desired goal. So, let's discuss the major ones. The first and far most important one is their new administrative capital. The new administrative capital is a large-scale project in Egypt that has been under construction since 2015. The new city is to be located 28 miles east of Cairo and just outside the second Greater Cairo Ring Road, in a currently largely underdeveloped area, halfway to the seaport city of Suez. The capital focuses upon 6 major goals. Egypt is focusing on improving the lifestyle of its citizens, knowing the fact that Egypt's poverty rates have reached an all-time high. The second agenda is to achieve the goals and standards set initially for maintaining law and order. The third agenda is to achieve economic stability on Egypt's current fiscal policy, which seeks to reduce the state budget deficit and public debt. Another important goal is to achieve environmental stability. For this purpose, Egypt is increasing reliance on renewable energy and adopting sustainable consumption and production patterns that are suitable for the environment. The fifth agenda is in cahoots with Egypt's vision for the future, which is to establish governance and adhere to law, rules, and procedures under the rule of law, and an institutional framework necessary to achieve transparency and accountability of the highest standards. One main reason for establishing this city is to provide a center for its military. Egypt is not only relying on one city, multiple megacity projects are running in parallel. That would lead Egypt to the glory it boasted for a long time. Let's discuss those cities as well. First up, let us talk about the New Alamein City. New Alamein City is considered the first model of the new generation of the Millennium Cities. This brand new Mediterranean paradise will span over 194 square kilometers. It is located approximately 85 kilometers west of Borg El Arab, directly westwards of the town El Alamein, which is known for a decisive 1942 World War II battle. The city will cost the Egyptian government about $60 billion and will host around 3 million people. $60 billion is a massive amount, but Egypt is not stopping there. Another important city is the new Mansoura city, which is located along the Mediterranean Sea coast, extending from the Gamosa city to the borders of Kafr el-Sheikh Governorate. This puts it 54 kilometers away from the old Mansoura city. The new city will be connected with the old Mansoura through an electrified railway system, making the commute less than 15 minutes. The city will cover 25.4 square kilometers, and with the ability to house around 1.5 million people, this city will cost the Egyptian government about $3.7 billion. Another important city Egypt is building is the new Galilee city. This city is supposed to lie on the northern Galilee Plateau, on the western side of the Gulf of Suez. More precisely so, the new city of Galilee is located on the highest Mount Plateau in the Red Sea area between Ain Sakna and Zafarana. Since the construction started in 2015, there has been a lot of progress. Around 80 national companies and 15,000 employees are working in the city. The city, after its completion, will include luxurious as well as middle-income housing, tourist resorts, a water park, a phosphate fertilizer factory, and a university called Galilee University. Egypt simply is not going to stop right there, because they're also building a 1,000-meter tall skyscraper. Egypt has a history of mammoth structures, as the construction of mammoth buildings originated from Egypt, boasting a proposed height of 1,000 meters, which is approximately 3,300 feet. After its completion, the OBLISCO CAPITALE will become the tallest building in Egypt and Africa, expanding over an area of 1,250,000 square meters and boasting a floor count of 165. This massive skyscraper is supposed to be completed by 2030, and it will cost around $3 billion. Since this building will be situated in the new administrative capital, so after the completion of this project, the new administrative capital will have all the required goods to replace the current capital Cairo. The number of projects currently in the pipeline should sustainably spur Egyptian economic growth and put the government's resources to efficient use. With that, our video about Egypt trying to fight back to its original glory essentially ends. Do let us know what you think about Egypt's strategy to become a worldly power. If you like this video, do leave us with a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, peace.